Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Doritos nachos. First, choose your preferred Doritos flavor to create a flavorful base. Next, select a good melting cheese, such as cheddar or Monterey Jack, for that perfect gooey texture. Finally, gather your favorite toppings like fresh salsa, creamy sour cream, and spicy jalapenos to complete your snack. This simple preparation ensures a quick and tasty treat. Now let's build your nachos. Begin by spreading a single, even layer of Doritos onto a baking sheet. This ensures every chip gets some cheesy goodness. Next, generously sprinkle your chosen shredded cheese over the chips. If you're adding a protein like seasoned ground beef or shredded chicken, distribute it evenly over the cheese layer. This layering technique creates a balanced and satisfying bite every time. It's time to get that perfect melt. Place your assembled nachos into an oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake them for about 5 to 8 minutes, or until the cheese is beautifully melted and bubbly. Once out of the oven, immediately add any cold toppings you prefer, like fresh cilantro, sliced green onions, or a dollop of creamy guacamole. This quick bake ensures warm, gooey perfection. Your amazing Doritos nachos are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately while they are warm and the cheese is still perfectly melted. For an extra treat, offer additional bowls of salsa, sour cream, or guacamole on the side, allowing everyone to customize their plate. These easy-to-make nachos are perfect for a quick snack, a party appetizer, or even a fun meal. Dig in and savor every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.